special things
we think
and feel.
and do.
Treasure champs are heroes
Like him
and her and you.
So
Every day let's do our best. We're treasure champs, we're on a quest. We're treasure champs. Treasure champs.
Hello there, and welcome to Treasure Champs. I'm very excited to tell you what today's treasure is.
Whee!
Ha, sorry about that. You must be wondering what today's treasure is. Well, it's...
Whee!
Sorry, as I was saying, today's treasure is...
Whee!
It's...
Ooh! Whee!
Barry! I'm trying really hard to say what today's treasure is.
Oh, that's good, because it's perseverance. It means to try and try and try again.
I know! That's exactly what I've been trying to say.
It's written on the flag. Perseverance. What do you think?
What do you say?
What's it mean?
What do you do
About this treasure, it's over to you.
Perseverance means when you're doing something challenging, but you're never giving up. First, when I started playing the ukulele, it was quite difficult, but when I went home and practiced, now I'm much better at it. Perseverance is when you keep trying to do something until you get to the end. I persevered with my swimming when I was learning front crawl and breaststroke, and now I can do it really.
So you're going to get Ronald to roll this boulder down there and act as a sort of giant bath plug.
Yes, that's it. Plug the crater and the volcano won't explode.
So, Nelson, what do I do in this plan thingy?
Well, I don't think we need your help right now, Zed.
Ah, fine. Find yourself another hero then.
Zed! Come back! Zed! Oh.
There was no time to worry about Zed. We needed to move a boulder.
Don't worry, we can try again. Time is running out. If we don't plug that hole, the volcano will explode.
Oh, Natalie, what have I done? Real heroes don't abandon their friends.
This is the last boulder.
I've got your flower.
Not now, Zed.
It's looking good. Well done, Ronald.
Go! 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate?
Come on, Zed. You can do it.
Oh, steady there. Hey, look at me.
You saved us all, Zed. Just like a real hero.
But you're my hero too, Natalie.
And so we all danced until the sun set behind the old volcano.
I knew you didn't really have a plan, Nelson.
Yes, it's true. But all's well that ends well. You see, when you have good friends, there's always a solution to every problem.
But now it's time for bed.
I have to recharge my superpowers.
Good night, Lucy.
Good night, everyone.
Sleep tight.
64, 64, 64,